How to get rid of unwanted hair.
Leela Chandy from Alana of New York. We want to introduce to you the treatment we give at Alana, which is a guaranteed treatment for unwanted hair removal on face and body. So we do eyebrows, we do upper lip, we do chin and neck, we do underarms, we do bikini line, as well as hands and legs. So today we want to give you a sample of what we do on this is one of our clients who has almost finished her chin area. So now there are very few hair on her chin. One has come as a very big one. She's going to take it out. So we can see earlier she had lots of hair. We removed all of them. It's a pain. She had some big thick hair on her chin and on her neck. That's all been removed.